Hello there friends. This video shows you how to update all your Android apps at once using a quick and simple method in 21G26. First of all, open the Google Play Store menu page. You can find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Once it opens, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network so the updates download smoothly without interruption. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This is usually your Google account picture or the first letter of your name. After tapping it, a menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Manage Apps and Device. This section shows everything related to your installed applications, including storage usage and available updates. Now, under the Overview or Updates Available section, you will see how many apps are waiting to be updated. If updates are available, you will also see a clear button labeled Update All. Simply tap Update All to start updating every app at the same time. Your phone will automatically download and install the latest versions in the background. You don't need to update each app one by one, which saves a lot of time. If you want more control, you can tap See Details before updating. This lets you check which apps are included and how large the updates are. Finally, just wait patiently until the process is complete. Keep your phone unlocked or charging if needed. Once everything finishes, all your apps will be fully updated and ready to use.